As requested in this video, we will do an audio test if you would like to connect your G10 Tenlamp audio interface or audio mixer to a guitar. Without further ado, let's get started. And now, let me show you the things chords I will be needing in the setup. First of all, this is the G10 mixer or audio interface, and that is the guitar I will be using to connect it to here, and I will be using also a B800 condenser microphone. The cord is attached to this one, the one that has a 3.5mm jack, or if you want to connect an XLR microphone, you can also, because this one has an XLR port on it. And by the way, this device is an iPhone that does not have a headphone jack on it, and that's why I will be needing this lightning adapter. Heads up for you, if you don't have the right one, you will not be able to record. You can only hear as if it's working, but it will not record if you're not using the right one. So make sure you're using the right lightning adapter. And this earphone here, I'm going to be using to monitor the audio, and this is the 3.5mm TRRS. This is to connect from this G10 mixer or audio interface to this device. And this cord here, this is a guitar cable to connect from this mixer to that guitar. And now let's start the connections. Let's first connect this condenser microphone over here. So from here, I'll be connecting it to here. You just select mic 1 or 2. Let's select mic 1. Now to connect to this device over here, as I mentioned earlier, I will be using this lightning adapter. So I'll connect this one to here, and then I'm going to connect this one, TRRS, the one that has 3 lines. I'll connect it to here. You just select live 1 or 2, it doesn't matter. So we'll connect it, let's say, to live 2, and then the other end will connect to this lightning adapter. Now let's connect the guitar to this G10 mixer. You have 2 options to connect your guitar to this sound card or audio mixer. First, you can connect it to here, to the one that says line in for the mic input. But please remember, if you're going to be connecting it to here, the volume of your microphone plus your guitar will be the same. Now, if you're going to connect it to here, the one that says inst, for your guitar, your volume of your microphone and your guitar will be separate. Okay, let me show you. So if you're going to connect it to here, let's say, for example, you don't have this kind of adapter. So this is 6.35mm female to 3.5 TRS male. Let's say you don't have this one, then you have no choice. You'll have to connect this other end to here. Now, and as I mentioned, if you will be doing that, your volume control of your mic plus the guitar will be the same. Now, if you have this adapter, so the one that looks like that, then your volume of your guitar is separate than the volume of your microphone. Okay, let's say, for example, let's connect first the guitar directly to here, the one for line in, the one that says mic input. And we'll do a test also using this adapter over here. Okay, so let's connect this one end to here. And then let's connect this other end to this guitar. There you go. And lastly, let's connect this earphone to monitor the audio. So at the bottom, there are 2 ports here to monitor the audio. So it's the one that says monitor. You just select either of the 2. There you go. And if you have the USB-C headphone or earphone, you can connect it over there. Now we're all set. Heads up for you, I don't really play guitar, so what I'll do is I'm just going to be strumming this guitar over here, and hopefully you will get the idea as to what is the audio be like if you connect your guitar to this G10 audio interface in this kind of setup. So as I showed you earlier, right now this guitar is currently connected to the line input of this G10 mixer or the mic input. My mic, I set it to 3 o'clock because I'm not super close to this microphone, so at least when I start recording later, I'm hoping it should pick up my voice. Okay, and it's up to you, your equalizer here, whatever is your preference, high, mid, and low. Maybe I'm just going to set all three of them to the middle. There you go. What I suggest, if you tried recording and then your bass is too loud to the point that it is cracking or peaking, I suggest lower your bass from your guitar itself. And now let me start recording over here so I can share to you the audio output from connecting this guitar. Again, this is connected to the line input of this G10 mixer, which is the mic input. Okay, so I'm going to start recording now from here. Okay, there you go. So right now what you are hearing, that is now the audio recorded or audio output recorded from this G10 mixer. By the way, when it comes to recording, make sure this, okay, let me do this one now. So when it comes to recording, make sure your main output here is on high, because if this is at 0, there won't be no audio on your recording. So again, this is very important. Main output has to be on high, or at least over 50% or 50% or higher, so that there is audio on your recording, not only video. Okay, so let me strum this one now. So again, if you think that is super loud, you can lower your volume or gain from this guitar itself. So I'm going to lower it maybe to, yeah, I thought, okay, it looks like I set it at 10 o'clock earlier. Now I'm going to set it to 9 o'clock. And if you want it more lower, you can lower it some more. There you go. There you go. Okay, and now what we will do is let's connect the guitar to the other port that I am talking about. Okay, so from here, I'm going to remove the guitar now from the line in, and I'm going to be using this adapter. Okay, let's now connect this adapter to here, to the one for ints or instrument. There you go. And let's now remove this guitar cord over here. And let's now connect this one to here. Okay, there you go. Okay, and now let's do a test again. Let's see what is the difference. Okay, now that we have connected the guitar to the inst port or inst input of this G10 mixer, so your volume control is no longer from here for the mic volume, same as this microphone. Instead, it's going to be from here. So this volume control over here, the one that says inst. So you have to turn this up. Okay, I could hardly hear it actually. So I'm going to maybe set it up to the max. There you go. And now I'll have to turn my volume or my gain from this guitar because I could hardly hear it. Okay, maybe I'll do a test. Maybe I'll set my gain here to 12 o'clock. There you go. Okay, and now I'm going to set my gain here from this guitar to, let's test 3 o'clock. And that is all I can share for today. I hope this video gives you an idea as to how to connect your guitar to this G10 audio interface or G10 Tenlamp mixer, and what to expect, or the audio output. So what I find is that either way the audio output is cracking when connecting a guitar. I don't know if it'll change later. I don't know if there's another way or a different setup that I do not know yet. In my opinion, I don't really like the audio output connecting a guitar. Connecting a background music, let's say a YouTube song, is okay, but not with a guitar. But anyway, if you have this G10 interface or mixer already and you want to connect a guitar, for sure that's the way to connect it. And so far, these unit that I have right now, that is the audio output, not unless whatever unit you have, maybe it has a different output. Anyway, at least I hope this video gives you an idea as to what to expect if you connect your guitar to a G10 mixer or audio interface, and how to connect them. Thanks again, guys, for watching. If you like this type of video, give it a like, and if you want more of this type of videos, consider subscribing if you haven't done yet, and hit the notification bell so you are always updated for all the upcoming videos I will be posting. Keep safe, and until next time.